Hey guys, today I'm replacing the heating element for the LG Tromm washing machine. This is on the front of the machine. So as you can see, I already took the facing off the front of the machine. That's the front there. Um, that's the heating element on the bottom there. So basically, quick step. I already loosened some bolts there already, but just to show you, step by step. It's a very simple job here. Let me just get in there. Okay, so you just disconnect the wire. Take your time. Take pictures. Um, Disconnect this one here. This is the ground bolt here, and then you have the red here. Just disconnect them, and then you loosen this bolt here. Take it all the way off. And behind this bolt, there's another bolt. Also, there's another nut. Yeah. So once you lose this here out. Yeah. So I got it. This one has a washer, so place that in the corner there. So now we have there the heating element is right there. There's another nut right behind. I think the video is a little blurry here. Yeah, a little blurry. I'm gonna put a light on so you can see it better. Okay, so I went and disconnect the wire. Was one wire here. There's another one here. There's a ground here, and the red goes here. So I disconnected those, and I took off the ground bolt. It's a nut, the ground nut. I took it off, so place it safe. And there's another one here. You just want to screw the one a little, then press it in. You want to press it in. Once you press it in, there's a seal with a bracket behind it. It's like a rubber with a bracket. You press it in, and then you pull forward the bracket. Pull slowly. Take your time. And there you go. That's the heating element there. Yeah. And the new one, all you got to do is see the seal there. Once you press it in, make sure you press it in here. Press this bolt in, it move. See the bracket is moving here, this one here. So the new one, you just replace it, make sure you insert it properly. There's a, as you can see all the way inside, there's like a plate that holds it safely, make sure it slides and go right inside there. That's how you replace the new one. And you just put it all the way in there, press it in, press the middle bolt here, and press this firm. And all you have to do is just go ahead and tighten this up here. Once you tighten this up now, the bracket and the seal behind it clamps it from the inside, and it draws the outside firm and snugged. And that's about it. And you just go ahead and connect your wires back. That's all you have to do. That's how you replace a new one. But this one is, it's working. So I just went and use it back. There's nothing wrong with it. So I'm just showing you how to replace it. Thank you guys.